The five functions of the skeletal system are protection, shape, support, movement, and blood production. Protection is the cranium and the ribs, and they protect the brain and the vital organs in the chest, so the lungs and the heart. This is there so in case we have an injury, so like a car crash, the cranium and the ribs will protect our vital organs and prevent internal damage, so like internal bleeding, or prevent a puncture like in the heart or the lungs or in the brain. The cranium will protect the brain from getting damaged, so we won't suffer any diseases, such as not diseases, problems in the brain, such as brain tumors and internal bleeding in the brain, stuff like that. Second function of the skeletal system is shape. Shape gives shape to the body and makes you tall or short. So the growth plates in our in our body, that will determine if we're going to grow taller or going to grow shorter. This can be changed if you do a lot of heavy resistance training in the gym, so like deadlifts with weights and stuff like that when at a young age. The third function of the skeletal system is support, and support holds your vital organs in place when playing sport. The vertebral column holds the body upright. So the vertebral column, such as the thoracic, the lumbar, and the cervical, will hold your body upright while you're walking and doing everyday core functional movements. And also, it will support you while you're playing sports. So it will support your back. Arms will support you while you're doing stuff like playing basketball, when you're dribbling, or football when you're dribbling with the ball, boxing, stuff like that. The fourth function of the skeletal system is movement. Muscles are attached to the bones, which are jointed. When the muscle contracts, the bones move. So, for example, when you contract your bicep curl, your humerus will move with it, giving it movement, so it will allow it to be loose. It won't feel stiff when you're trying to do a bicep curl. And the last function of the skeletal system is blood production. Red blood cells are to carry oxygen around the body, and white blood cells, to protect against infection, are produced in the bone marrow of some bones. So this will help us with diseases. The white blood cells will help us with diseases to fight off like flus, colds, even like deadly diseases. And the red blood cells will help to carry oxygen around the body. So some bones carry this, and it will help carry the red blood cells around the body so we can get oxygen, which will give us energy to do sports and stuff like that.